It's time out, purple.
What?
Considered to be the bottom of the barrel, the worst, most underused exotics currently in Destiny 2. And it is, of course, completely inevitable that at least one person will be mad and disagree with each pick on my list. Hey man, I named the dog 9,000 sniper rifles. Actually, really good, and that's okay. It's inevitable, and you are free to disagree with me. My criteria today are as follows. These guys, in my opinion, outclassed in both PvP and PvE by others.
Who's the number one now?
Are
you kidding me?